Hey guys, today we're going to unbox 3 mystery boxes from Airsoft GI. This is their black and gold mystery box. It's $200 MSRP. If you're not a member of Fireteam Wraith, please join. It's 20 bucks a year. We're going to give away this KWA Eve 9 this Saturday. Without further ado, unbox. Steve? I have pre-cut these so that we don't waste time. I'm trying to do this quick for you guys. The first mystery box, don't look at my address. Ooh, I actually don't know who this is. It's an LCT. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what we got. Oh, a little preview there. TK PDW 9mm. Very nice. Oh, it's a baby AK. Look at that guy. Speed mags, those are cool. And what is this? Looks just like a dog tag charm. Well, that one's not bad at all. Hidden hop up. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Cool. So that's not a Fur Friends, so we're doing all right. Not that I'd be mad about a Fur Friends, but everybody seems to get them on here. I don't know how all that went back together, but that'll do, donkey. All right, cool. So LCT Mini AK. Number two is a shotgun. What do you think of this, Steve?
I'm gonna guess Fur Friends.
You gotta guess right. All right, I think everyone has unboxed the Fur Friends on YouTube for this company, Airsoft GI. This is probably the one that they were really getting rid of, but it's actually a very expensive gun. The box is ripped.
It is a pretty clean gun.
It is. Solid metal too, all metal. And it comes with a, what is this, a mid? Nope, high cap. Comes with one high cap. Pretty nice. Fur Friends. It's not bad at all. Pretty clean gun. Not ambidextrous at all. Not even the safety selector switch is ambidextrous, so not good. Oh, I didn't even notice the sights. Pretty neat, not bad. Heavy, really, really heavy. All right. Oh, cool. So many people have unboxed the Fur Friends from this mystery box. Alright. Fur Friends, and come over this way. And this one right here. Shotgun. Oh, Zion. Oh, boy. And it has 3 different variants. Mod 0, Mod 1, and Mod 2. How do you open this bad boy? This way. Ooh, that's really nice.
So it's the Mod 2.
Mod 2. It's with a 9. Beautiful gun. Alright guys, so I did some pricing. This one is about $289. The baby AK, they call it a TK, is about $400 gun, and this one is about $450. So for $200 a piece, you always get your money back with Airsoft GI, which is great. You never really know what you get.
So if you are interested in the sizes, please let us know on Facebook. Man, get out of the shot!
Hey guys, thanks for joining our channel. Why are your hands behind your back?
I don't know. He's been serious. What's up?
Alright. This is a test to see how loud my neighbor's weed eating.
So far, it don't seem loud, but the camera could be picking it up like immensely.
He's WA Eve 9 this Saturday.
Pretty direct to our team.
Free advertisement.
I wanted
Check
to
it
show
out.
the logo, but